Hello everyone and welcome to CodeinPython, a YouTube channel explicitly for Python coding. In today's program, we are going to run a Python code which identifies a number to which country it belongs and the service provider. I have already written the program, and for the demo purposes, I'll show how it works. So I have entered a fake number which I got randomly from internet. So let's see what the code shows us. So yeah, the output is the country to which the SIM card belongs is in India and the SIM card is BSNL mobile. Before running to the program, please subscribe to our channel Code in Python. Okay, let's begin. For this, before we begin, we'll have to install a library which is called as phone numbers. So simply type on your terminal command pip install phone numbers. I have already installed it, so a requirement already satisfied is given over here, but in your case it will be downloaded and installed properly. Okay, so I'll zoom it. Yeah, so the first line will be importing the given library, which is phone numbers, and then from phone numbers we'll be including certain modules, which is geocoder. So geocoder practically helps you to identify which country it belongs to, and then we are going to import carrier. Carrier helps us to identify what exactly SIM carrier it is using. For example, BSNL or Airtel or Vodafone, anything something like that. So moving on, we'll write a variable which will help us to input the number. So enter the number with what plus sign if you want, plus and code, and then after that we'll be declaring one variable which is called as service provider. Sorry. Okay, and we'll be sending it to phone numbers dot parse. So we are parsing the phone numbers module, and then we'll give the variable phone number. So we are passing this variable into this. Again, we are declaring a variable called as identified number, and in the same way we'll be sending it to phone numbers dot parse, and then we'll be giving this over here. Okay, so after this is done, now we'll print it. So print the country is, and then this is the important part. So first geocoder dot, in the geocoder we are going to use description for number file. Okay, and then we are going to pass identified number. Okay, I'm just entering it right down so that you can see it, and we are using en for English. Okay, and now we are going to use and the service provider. Okay, it has an underscore, and the service provider is, and again sorry, we are going to use variable. So in this case, carrier dot name of number. Okay, and now we are going to give the service provider comma en. So in this way we have completed our program. It was pretty simple and pretty short considering all the other programs which we run. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and fake, okay, number, there was right, fake number generator India. Let's see if I get something. Yeah, I sure did. Control C, and now we are going to paste it over. Oh, sorry. So Python space color.py. Color is the file name which I've stored. Okay. And now we'll be removing this, and this. Oh, it is saying module phone numbers dot carrier has no attribute name underscore of. Oh, sorry. Honest mistake. It was not off. It was for. I'm extremely sorry for that. And we'll try to run it again. Make it go away. Entering cow. It's working. Also, you can always find this code in rutvishkulkarni.ml under the blog section. I mostly intend to write all my coding blogs over here, and in this particular website, you can always find the source code along with some extra description, and the link will be given in the description below, so you can always go over here. That's all today. Thank you, and please mention in the comment below whether you like it or not, or what should be the next code I should try, or how do you feel about this one. Okay.